Hello there, welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you one more winning book title niche. If you are creating coloring book today, then definitely you getting results in few days. So let's get start this video without wasting a second. Come on Amazon.com site and enable this extension AMZ Sniper. Then click on KDP section. Then write coloring book. Then click on search now button. This extension is very helpful. This extension redirect directly on Amazon.com site, which have the valuable book title niche. Okay, now scroll down if you need to find what coloring book I'm talking about. This is the coloring book which have a winning of this video. Okay, you can see that this coloring book just published before 8 days and getting 13 sales in per day. If we are click on this coloring book and getting some note down some details about this coloring book, you can see that this coloring book have only 36 coloring pages, which is hand draw, no AI generator obviously. Okay, and this coloring book published before 8 days and get one review. This is very good sign for this coloring book. Okay, then you just click on author. We are finding how many coloring books of this author. If you can see that this author just published only one coloring book on this author, and this author get 13 sales in per day and one review. If we are calculating the royalty of this author, how much approximately earn in per month, means $10. Okay, then just click on submit button. Author earned $3.15 from one sales. You can see that this author approximately in one day earned $41 and earned in per month 1230 approximately earned in per month from only one book. If you are making this type of multiple coloring books, you can definitely reach out 10,000, $5,000 in per month. I hope you are learn something. Actually, I am gonna show you if you are not able to creating coloring book by yourself, you can definitely use the freelancing site like a Fiverr, Upwork, and others. You are hiring illustrator for making coloring this type of coloring books. Okay, and in next video I am show you the complete process how we are creating coloring book using AI and how we are publish this coloring book on Amazon KDP. Each and everything cover in next video. So please subscribe this channel and press bell icon that you can't forget any upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Signing off.